Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Season 1 heroes in Last Sea Survival Shooter. And Last Sea Survival Shooter, obtaining Season 1 heroes is still possible even if you're playing in later seasons. The most common method is through the in-game shop, particularly the daily sale, where older heroes occasionally reappear to a limited time. You can select the hero you want, like Olivia, when these resales happen. Another option is the hero recruitment system, which can drop older heroes, though not exclusively Season 1 characters. Limited time events also provide opportunities to collect specific hero fragments, giving you a chance to unlock these classic heroes. Keep in mind that some shops option may require spending in-game currency, so timing and resource management are important. By combining this method, shop sales, recruitment, and events, you can gradually build a roster that includes your favorite Season 1 heroes no matter how far you've progressed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.